Hello everyone, my name is Mandy and this is omglegallyfab. Today I feel like doing a challenge. I akan guna sample products or mini trial products yang ada tak banyak, and I know benda ni dah dibuat oleh orang lain. Credits to them, which I tak tahu siapa dan I malas nak cari. Kalau ada, tolong letak kat bawah. I'll be doing skincare and also makeup all together in this one video lah. I tak ada banyak benda, so macam mascara ke apa semua I tak ada. Let's get started. For skincare ada
banyak ni je, mak. I think ada banyak lagi tapi I tak tahu mana pergi. Habis hilang semua, I pun tak tahu dah.
Just before doing this video, I dah pakai this one, which is B-Leaf Deep Impact Deep Pores Cleansing and Massage Emulsion. And dia sebenarnya dah expired. So this is the thing. So itu dah I pakai untuk cleanser. So I tak ada option lain, I ada ini sahaja. So dia ada dua Pyongkang Yul. So dia ada dua, which is the white one and the blue one.
Please be noted that some of this dah expired, which I ada plan untuk buat a series of me trying my old products, my old things such as, you know, these things. If you guys want to see that, just put in the comment section down below lah.
Ada dua set of each. So satu ni I believe is for moisture and this one is for balancing. I feel like because we're gonna do makeup, let's go for moisture lah. So gonna follow dia punya, ikut dia punya sequence lah. First one is actually dia punya mist toner. Ya Allah, ayak dah keluar dah. So kalau korang boleh nampak menitik-menitik tu, itulah dia. Kena. So korang beli I pakai toner adalah by refreshing juga sebenarnya. I think satu sachet ni boleh pakai 2 kali for this one. So I'm gonna put that aside, so nanti I boleh pakai lagi. Oh, by the way, right now dah midnight, like pukul 1. What is happening to me? So let that sink in. So the next one we have is the moisture serum. Sikit cream punya smell, macam glowy je. By the way, I love skincare, but normally yang I pakai adalah Claire.
Dan ini free dan sekiranya lain-lain lah. This is the first time I try Pyongkang Yul.
So next is the moisture ampoule gel punya.
I dapat samples ni kebanyakan daripada Sephora dengan Hermo obviously, but this one from Hermo lah.
Best lah. Tidak. What is this? Oh my god.
Dia cakap akan jadi adhesive. But I like.
So now kita akan the last one dalam steps ni, which is the moisture cream.
Tak. Excuse me.
I think dia punya moisturizer lah sebenarnya. Yep. Itulah feeling dia.
If you guys want to see like a take 2 of this skincare part dengan menggunakan produk-produk yang lain yang ada sikit-sikit ni, do leave a comment down below so that I boleh, you know, consider and like try these other products.
So now skincare is done. Move on to makeup stuff. So untuk primer, I have like a few products. Surprisingly, agak happy jugalah sebab I ada a few. Antara yang I ada is from Erborian.
Whole box is Erborian punya stuff. I beli from Hermo.
Free. I pergi dia punya workshop. Hourglass. Yeah, First Aid Beauty. Kat Von D punya primer. So which one should I try? Basically I ada pairing. Hourglass, I ada dia punya foundation. Erborian, I pun ada dia punya samples of CC cream, BB cream and all that jazz. Kat Von D, I rasa I decide nak pakai Hourglass because I'm gonna be like all fancy feeling right now, because I pun tak tahu juga colour apa jadi, but like I redha this one and this one lah. Maksudnya dia punya primer and dia punya foundation. Hopefully dia match. Abaikan je tudung I right now because I rebel juga. This is the Veil primer. Oh. Okay. Dah, tak payah banyak. Weh, kenapa dia colour biru? Okay, sorry dah tak pernah pakai hourglass, so I tak tahu. Oh my god, I feel like pale ke apa ni? Tapi dia rasa greasy. Dia macam silicone. Dia rasa macam silicone-ish. And I feel like ada macam blue punya cast ke? Or is it just my imagination ke? I don't know. Rasa luxury tak? Boleh lah tahan. Boleh tahan rasa macam fancy sikit sebab hourglass.
So right now kita try dia punya foundation, which I hope would suit me in some way.
Like elok tu. Well, this gonna be enough for me though. Oh no, it's too light. Let's see. I dah legit korek. Bau dia macam latex lah korang. Is it because it's old product? Or is it just like because dia memang bau macam tu? Definitely takkan full coverage because I letak sikit. What? Okay, surprisingly
you guys, okay lah, but like kelabu sikit. Kalau dia ada colour like one tone or two tones darker would suit me better, but like whatever yang ada lah kan, kita layankan je.
Coverage dia boleh lah because kita ada sikit je, kita work with sikit je lah. So this one I boleh pakai, I guess sekali lagi. Agak kelabu, korang boleh nampak kot macam ada white cast sikit. Maybe because of the primer tadi pun I rasa dah macam ada white cast. So, tapi dia punya feeling is like so nice. To be honest, dia macam like lembutnya kulit. This one is Hourglass Immaculate
Liquid powder foundation mattifying. Literally rasa macam you pakai powder instead of you pakai ni. Macam memang nampak rasa macam lembut gila.
I need my specs because I can't see anything. But where's my spec? Kelabu sikit lah, but like nampak powdery. Kalau on camera nampak powdery, whatever semua ni, what's happening on my face dia tak ada cover. That's why I pakai sikit. Sebab dia tadi dia adalah colour pink. Right now I feel like muka I kuning gila. Kuning but like powdery, but like I don't know. Yeah, I feel yellow now. I look yellow dekat mirror. So next we have, what do we have? Kita buat mata dululah. I tak ada mini eyeshadows or anything. What I have currently is the Tarte punya mini blusher.
I ada this one. I love to buy Sephora favorites dulu. I dah lama tak beli, but like this is the highlighter. So I'm gonna use.
Tengoklah yang powder ni untuk I do my eyes. Now let's just use this one untuk both my cheeks and my eyes. Ooh, nice. I think I'm liking this blusher for this situation. Something like this lah. So as you can see macam ada pink-pink sikit. Tu je I ada. Sephora favorites glow for it is a glow subtle glowing lights 06 by Lancome. You know what it is. Silky Creme highlighter. Just use my finger, goddamn finger, and just tap dekat my lid. Texture dia best gila. Dia memang like
party. Rasa dia antara yang buat tapi diam-diam tak ada orang cakap pasal dia, but like dia adalah literally sedap gila untuk ditekan. But dia Lancome, so mak-mak je tahu Lancome ni. So like mak-mak je tahu, and like benda ni adalah bagus.
So I'm gonna put here. There you go. Simple je, but like efficient. Next blusher. I'm gonna use obviously this one je yang I ada, so I'm gonna use this one.
Ooh, I'm liking this. Colour apa ni? Party. Agak lupa nak cakap tadi party, but like colour dia nice.
Dia tak macam like gila-gila babi sangat. Right, so 10 cheeks is done. Okay lah, not bad lah colour dia. For the highlighter, I'll be using this one, which is from Hourglass, Incandescent Strobe Light. This is the ambient punya strobe lighting powder lah. Ada mirror kat sini sebenarnya. Wow. Wow. I baru juga ada eyeliner which is from Kat Von D, tattoo liner. Obviously ini adalah free product juga. This is in True Pearl. There you go. So I'm gonna use it on my eyes. There's a very subtle wing.
I tried, but this is I terlanggar border tadi satu, tak apalah, whatever.
So untuk lips, I have like, untuk lips I boleh poyo sebab I ada a few. I ada like Solo, Kat Von D, Lovecraft. I have like 3 Sephora favorites nude lips punya. Ni I'm gonna use, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Lovecraft.
Because I rasa I akan buat video where I try satu box ni.
So I'm going to use this one, Lovecraft, which I think colour dia adalah actually suit this makeup. Probably, I pun tak ingat. Studded lipstick. Yes, this colour. So cute. Untuk free item, banyak tau. Free dia, mini size dia. Bau macam coklat. Bapak terang. But like, okay lah kot dengan mata ni. Kan? Boleh lah. I guess that's all for today. So this is my final look.
Skincare okay, sebab baru first time pakai, okay. The primer sleek tadi, now it's like okay, tak ada slippery, tak ada apa, mungkin sebab dia punya own foundation tu, kalau I dapat colour a bit darker would be like so much better. And then like the blusher I like, I don't say I love yet, but I like the fact that colour tu kena dengan my situation right now. For the eyes juga, ni sesuai. Highlighter I like, I love. Highlighter I love. Lipstick okay, this okay. Maybe the colour I like darker colours. So this one quite okay.
That is all guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Kalau you guys nak tengok like a take 2 of me doing this, tak ada apa sangat pun perubahan sebab I rasa sebab I tak ada benda lain melainkan ini sahaja untuk my eyes and my cheeks. Tapi kalau korang nak tengok juga using other products macam foundation yang lain atau primer yang lain ataupun skincare yang lain,
so just comment down below, tulis take 2 please or something like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Oh my god, legally fab. Please like this video, watch and like other videos. Follow us on Instagram with the same name.
Also hello and thank you so much for the new subscribers. Y'all the bombs. Also yang lama pun the bombs juga. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Bye.